Okay, so please do subscribe, and you can press the bell icon as all YouTubers says. Okay, so before proceeding further, I'll let you know that today I'll share a small story how to break your worry, a technique to break your worry. Okay, so there was a engineer who discovered the air conditioning technology. Okay, Willis H. Carrier. Okay, so what happens, a long time ago he gave an idea that they will settle a gas plant, and what they will do, they will purify all the pollution without affecting the engine. Okay, so when we purify something, like if we purify the water, we extract the essential mineral from the water, but purifying the gas without affecting the engine was a big challenge. And what was happening, they were keep trying, and company who was sponsoring it, whose money was on it, it was $20,000 million. It was not a small amount, guys. And after so many attempts, it came that means nothing is working. So what he thinks that, and he was trying to think what solution can we take for to make this, but nothing was coming in his head. So then he came up with 3 ideas how to overcome your worries, techniques to overcome your worries. Okay, so firstly what he did, he identifies the worst part, means if it will not work, what is the worst condition that will happen. Okay, let me think that what was the the project will be taken out, the company who was sponsoring it, whose money was in it, they can cancel his deal. Okay, second, his position is in compromised position because people will think that his idea doesn't work. Okay, so then he think it's okay, it's better कि वो जेल तो नहीं जाएगा. Okay, no one will kill him. Okay, so it's okay. These are the worst condition which can happen if project didn't work. Okay, second thing, first thing what he did, identify the worst part. Second, what he did, he accepted it, because we know the circumstances, we know the misfortune what can happen, but the problem with us is that we can't accept it. Okay, then he accepted it. Okay, I can take this responsibility, whatever will happen, I will take it. Okay, so this was the condition to nothing to lose and nothing to win. So this was the condition in front of him. Okay, now what happened, he is relaxed, he can think. Okay, so when he is relaxed, then he got time to think that what solution we can come with. Then he came with the little solution that if we install extra hardware of $5,000, only $5,000, to this $20,000 million project, the solution will be there. We will be able to purify the pollution which that gas plant is generating without affecting the engine. So what was the cost of the solution? Only $5,000. $5,000 is not small amount, but in front of $20,000 million, it is a very small amount. So what happened? When he was worrying, he was not able to think, because his worries overcome his capacity to think. So number one, what we can learn from this, that identify the worst part, what worst can happen. Second, accept it that yes, these are the problem, these are the worst situation I will be into if that doesn't work. Then you will be relaxed and you will definitely come up with a solution. If you guys have any of such type of story with you, so please share with us, so that everyone can think that we are only not the losers, because everyone think that we are the losers. No, there are many losers in this world, but loser do something different, exceptional, that everyone give a bow to it. Okay, bye guys, take care, stay home, stay healthy. Please go outside if you want to feed your family and feed yourself. Thank you. Rab Rakha.